Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hello, everyone. All right, so we have some fun stuff today.
Yes, we do.
You guys, we're going to have a new kitchen set up.
Oh,
It's very exciting.
it's kind of scary though. We've been in this same setup for so long.
But when we're baking, a lot of times, or cooking or whatever, you kind of want to stand up
Well,
to
how
do
often
stuff.
are you sitting down when you're doing
Like
anything
this,
in the
like,
kitchen?
So Josh keeps saying, I wish I could stand up.
This is what happens when I stand up.
Come stand up, babe.
No head.
No head. Anyway, you'll see. We'll see if it works.
Yeah, hopefully
knows?
let us know if you like it.
Yeah, let us know if you like it, because Josh wants to be able to stand.
Yeah.
Without getting his head cut off.
Stand.
I know. Also, we want to give a huge loving shout out to Joshua Hescott. He makes these beautiful cutting boards and all kinds of furniture and stuff. But you guys, he reached out to us and he said, I'd love to make you guys some cutting boards. Here's one.
Josh, these turned out so amazing.
They're so beautiful.
So cool.
His company is called Hescott Design Company. They're on Instagram. We'll put the little thing, but he just does beautiful stuff.
This is my favorite one. This is so cool. It's heavy, but look at that. Look how beautiful that is.
Beautiful. We loved your card too. It was so sweet.
Yes.
And the photos of your shop, Josh.
It's my dream.
This.
I would love to have a shop like yours.
He would love to have the shop, and like your family is so sweet.
Wow.
Look at them. They're
So precious.
Sweet.
Yes.
Anyway, means a lot. Thank you so much. We absolutely love them, and we're going to use them all the time.
So that brings us to what we're doing today. We thought it'd be fun to ask Josh,
Hescott, who made our cutting boards,
what his favorite dessert was, and maybe we could make it for him. And so he said his favorite dessert was key lime pie. So we thought we'd put a little spin on the key lime pie and make them into little shooters.
So Josh has made these before, and our kids love them.
Yeah.
Yes, Isabel and Cade, that'll be like their little dessert for dinner. And it's not a lot, so it's kind of perfect.
It's really easy. There's like 3 ingredients for the filling, and then the whipped cream you can make or buy, but it's just a graham cracker crust, which is just graham crackers and butter. So it goes together like that.
So easy. We'll show you.
Yeah.
So Josh Hescott, this is for you. If you lived, down the street, we'd walk them over
to you. If you come to visit, I will make these again for you.
Yes, if you come to LA, Josh will make these for you.
Yeah, I will.
Thank you so much. We love the cutting boards.
Seriously.
Thank you.
Okay. And
let's go make. What was that?
I don't know. I was like, transition.
Voila! What do you think?
A new angle.
Right?
Kitchen.
Look, you can see more of our kitchen this way.
This way, and our sink.
We have a window. Now you can see the height difference for real.
So he's been wanting to do this setup for a long time, and then we were guests on Gemma Stafford's show, Bigger, Bolder Baking.
Yes, thank you again, Gemma.
And she stands, and he was like, why aren't we standing?
It's like, why am I sitting down? Why I can't bake when I'm sitting down? It's so hard.
Gemma, you're part of the reason why this started to really happen.
You're our inspiration.
Somebody
Chicago,
loves
throwback.
Some Chicago.
Go ahead and
karaoke night. This one, off the hook.
Anytime.
Journey, Chicago, Boys to Men.
Boys to Men, yeah.
Oh,
throwback
it's
to
good
90s.
times. That's good
Motown Philly back again.
Those are some good days for Josh.
All right. So we are going to be making key lime pie shooters.
Look at this, you guys.
I mean, they are so cute.
They're so cute.
Perfect for a party or a little gathering.
But you don't shoot them. You eat them with a spoon.
That's a different type of party.
Yeah.
We're not doing those.
We're not doing that party. I actually told Josh, I was like, well, couldn't we just grab some of the glasses in our cabinet? What about these?
Yeah, which are great too. I mean, if you're having a dessert for yourself at home and you want like something really indulgent, then you can make a big one.
Yeah. Then we went and got this little set of 6-shot glasses, and I was like, oh, I get it.
They're the perfect amount.
Perfect. I know this is really dorky, but I just realized I have an apron with limes on it.
I've seen the cat one. I've never seen the lime one.
I have a cat one, a donut one. I have a lime one. Yeah. And I was like, oh my God, my lime apron.
You gotta wear it. You have to wear it.
I have to wear it. All right, so how do you make the filling?
Okay, the filling is super easy to make. All you need is 8 ounces of cream cheese, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 4 key limes. You're gonna take zest from these 4 key limes and the juice from these 4 key limes.
Well, how do you take the juice? They're so tiny.
I know, and they're actually really hard. So the best way to get the juice out is to roll them on the cutting board, and it softens up the lime. So when you're trying to get the juice, it comes out much easier.
Look at that tip, you guys. I would not know that.
There's a tip. All you do to make the filling is you combine all these ingredients together. You take your cream cheese, you take your sweetened condensed milk, your lime juice, and use half the zest from the 4 key limes and put it all into a bowl and mix it up with a hand mixer or a stand mixer. And mix it up until it's smooth and creamy.
So I see some graham cracker here.
Yep.
What's that?
Okay, so for the graham cracker mixture, we're going to use 8 graham crackers that are crushed up. You can crush up yourself. Take the graham crackers and I put them into a Ziploc bag, like a big Ziploc. Just, you know, use your muscles and crunch them up until it's really smooth.
Get in there.
Yeah. Okay, so for the graham cracker mixture, all we do is take 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So take the melted butter, pour it all in the graham cracker.
Okay.
All right, and then you're gonna take the fork and you're just gonna mix it up until we get the consistency of the wet sand. While Ange is finishing up with the graham cracker mixture, I am going to go get the key lime pie filling from the fridge, and I made some homemade whipped cream that you can put on top. Now, you don't have to put it on top.
You're gonna want to, you guys. The whipped cream on top just makes it all come together. It's so good.
I think so.
Oh, and if you want Josh's homemade whipped cream recipe, we did it on a video with the mini pumpkin pies.
Yep.
So the whole recipe's there.
But
You can buy it.
you can buy it from the store.
You can just buy whipped cream.
Whatever. Just get it done, okay?
Bossy.
Sorry. So now it's time to make the key lime pie shooters.
Yay!
So excited. Ange finished with the graham cracker mixture, which looks great, and it looks like wet sand. It's really, really nice looking right there. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a layer of the graham cracker mixture on the bottom of the shot glasses.
Okay.
1 spoonful, 2 spoonful, push it down and kind of pack it in with your finger, okay? You just want to get it packed down so the key lime pie filling doesn't fall to the bottom. So it has that nice layered look. For the key lime pie filling, I like to put it into a pastry bag or a frosting bag. It's easier to control so you can just get the right amount in. We're just gonna cut off the edge a little bit, and we're just gonna put it right on top.
The stuff is so good.
All right, like that.
I already want to eat
And then I'm gonna go for the other one. I'm gonna take a little bit of this lime zest that we have left and sprinkle it right in the middle.
But if you don't want it that tart,
Yeah,
you don't have to.
You don't have to do it at all.
But we've noticed with our kids, they don't like as much lime zest.
Yep.
So you can sort of, you know, add some or not.
And put 2 more teaspoons on top, and 1, 2. And this time, when you push it down with your finger, just be a little bit more gentle because you don't want the mixture inside to kind of seep up.
Okay.
And I'm gonna start with a key lime pie filling on top, and you're gonna fill it all the way to the top now. And then we're gonna top it with whipped cream. Okay, now it's time for Angela's favorite part, the whipped cream topping. After we put the whipped cream on, you can put them in the refrigerator and let them firm up a little bit.
Because it's better when they're firm.
Right, and if, that's what she said. If you wanna store these for longer, you can cover them with plastic.
Right, and then just save the whipped cream, and when you're ready to go to your party or whatever, take the plastic off, add the whipped cream.
Absolutely, but we're just gonna do everything all at once because,
You know,
we're
here with you.
here with you. Here we go. You can make little designs with your whipped cream if you want.
Of course, Josh makes designs with his whipped cream.
Well, and then I like to put a little garnish on top, a little
Yes,
spritz, if you will,
he does.
of the zest.
Josh can't get enough of the zest, you guys.
I can't.
Now the kids and I don't put any of the sprinkles on our whipped cream. Because
true.
we feel like it has enough zest.
Life can never be too zesty.
Well, I beg to differ. Oh, fart.
Did you mess up already?
Already, mine doesn't. Mine looks like little worms, and yours look like little puff things.
Yeah.
All right, I tried to do the puff thing. Whatever.
I think
You
it looks
take over.
great. I think it looks great. It's
Look how fast he does
It's
it.
just
He's like,
little
boop, boop,
tiny
boop,
boops, little dollops.
I'm so excited for dinner tonight.
I know,
'cause I
me too.
know this is what waits for me on the other side. I mean, how cute is that if you took a little container of these to a party?
I know. They're so
Or
cute.
Just you know, after dinner with the kids.
And then if you want to get really fancy, you can actually garnish it with a little lime wedge. That just is the finishing touch that makes them look like fantastic.
And you have some pictures. You did that, right?
Yep, I did
Yeah.
that. All right, let's try it. Let's see how we did.
Let's do it.
That's so good.
It's so good because it's sweet, but then there's that little zest taste.
Yeah. Oh,
Kinda
this is
balances
great.
out.
Hey, this
is great.
Good choice, Josh Hescott.
Thank you so much for our cutting board.
Yes, thank you
We
again.
hope you liked our new kitchen setup.
Yes, please like it.
Yay.
I love standing.
Also, this setup is going to make it a lot easier for us to have guests, and we're going to have some fun people coming on.
Yeah,
So
I can't wait. All right, guys, thank you so much.
have a great week. And if you make these, take photos and tag us. 'Cause
Absolutely.
We love to see when you make stuff. It makes me so happy. Bye, you guys.
Bye.
Oh no, our cats are fighting. Stop fighting. Girls, get along.
Say that a lot, but
You do say that
I
a
said
lot.
this so easy. Consistency.
That's not how you talk.
I don't talk like
Your
that.
own impression of yourself is
Sounds like an idiot.
It sounds like a Neanderthal.
I like to bake a lot.
He's like baking MacGyver. You are. What was that SNL sketch? MacGruber.
Thanks, Josh, for making these delicious desserts.
Thanks to
You're
myself.
awesome.
I have great ideas.
Ooh.
So silly.
Fart jokes
The
never get old.
little things.